Good morning and happy Friday. I just wanted to come on here and share my favorite source for all things snacks and hydration. As a busy college student, it can be so hard to stay fueled and hydrated throughout the day, which is why I love the Snackits boxes from Source and Self. They feature a lot of wholesome snacks with whole, all-natural ingredients that I know will keep me fueled throughout the day. And the best part is I don't have to worry about any toxic ingredients or things that I don't want to put in my body, because we vet everything to make sure that it will support your body in the best way possible. And yeah, I've got my little electrolyte drink with these electrolytes from Water Drop that I got on the Source and Self website. So if you're interested and want a little fuel and hydration for yourself, be sure to check them out at source-self.com.